How to lock Telegram with a password on Android. If you want to protect your Telegram chats with a password, this video will show you how to enable the built-in app lock. First, open Telegram. Now go to Settings and select Privacy and Security. Next, tap Passcode Lock and select Enable Passcode. Create a passcode and enter it again to confirm. Your Telegram passcode lock is now enabled. You can also enable Fingerprint unlock if your phone supports fingerprint authentication. This allows you to unlock Telegram without entering your passcode every time. Next, adjust the auto lock setting. You can choose a time such as 1 minute, 5 minutes, or another available option. After the selected time passes, Telegram will automatically lock the app. To unlock Telegram, enter your passcode or use your fingerprint if fingerprint unlock is enabled. That's how you can lock Telegram with a password and add an extra layer of privacy to your chats. If you find this video helpful, click on like, share, and subscribe for more Telegram tips and tutorials.